then in the next class, what I have decided that we are left out with two major topics. That is your information system development models, that how we develop information system for the organization. So there are different methods that we will be starting, and then we are left with ERP, supply chain, and your CRM techniques, and then the Excel. So what I have decided from the next session, half of the session I will be doing theory with you all, okay, and half of the session will be the Excel session. Like 1 hour 15 minutes की class होती है अपनी, उसमें 30 minutes I will be dealing with the theory part and 35 minutes, and the rest of the 30 minutes I will be using it for 35 minutes using it for your Excel. So I request all of you to please sit with your laptops, because it is not like a demonstration kind of a session. It is a hands-on. It is going to be the hands-on session. I will be sharing the data sheets well in advance, one day prior to your classes. I will be sharing it to Sushant and Megha. They will share it with you. So please request you all to please sit with your laptops, because मैं hands-on कराते हैं, हम लोग सभी hands-on कराते हैं. It's not like if I do, because it is really very necessary. Why we have been doing this? Because earlier what was happening, हम लोग IBM में start करते थे, but since last to last year we have found that many of the companies who are coming for your SIP interviews also, they are looking for some of the basic Excel skills from the students. So that's why we have started with the Excel part in the first semester itself. So take it very seriously, students. It is going to be for your benefit only. Many of you must have done it earlier also, so, but we will just see to it that means whatever is required in the organization, the same way we just try to make it handy for you. So we'll start with very basic, we will take the baby steps, and then we will move on, because there are some students who are not done Excel at all. So please, I can help you only when you are going to cooperate. You will sit with your laptops. हम लोग share screen करते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा share screen होती है. I can ask anyone to share that screen. Okay, any problem, if you are stuck in somewhere, that is why I share the data sheet well one day in advance, so that whatever we are doing together. Same answers are coming, same everything is being displayed. Okay, so we will start with the Excel. Agree? So you will also not feel bored in the classes hearing theory on for 1 hour 15 minutes. Okay, we will do half an hour of theory, half an hour of your Excel practical. You will enjoy it. Trust me, students. Take my words, you will really enjoy doing Excel. Okay, now your CC2 will be common for all the sections, and that will be the Excel based test MCQ. Okay, getting my point? MCQ ही होगा, लेकिन उसका टॉपिक सिर्फ एक्सेल होगा. ओके, अच्छा एक मिनट रुको. I'll just stop my video. Can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so what we will be having, we'll be having a common CC for all the sections, across the sections. Okay, that will be Excel based. Excel topic will be Excel. Okay, but that will be the MCQ based test. MCQ होगा जैसा आपका C1 हुआ है वैसे ही होगा, but the complete question will be on Excel. So for that you need to just open your Excel, maybe some solve करने का होगा, and then the output will be given. Maybe the output will be given what course needs to be written for that you need to find out. Okay, so class, just be prepared for it, that in the last week of July, okay, last week of July, like most probably in the end, because till that time we'll be able to complete the topics. Okay, so in all the sections, then only we will conduct your test. Your mid-semester examination is from 2nd of August now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, class.
6th of August. 6th of August.
So
6th
before
of
that, we will just 5th of August. Okay. So I'll just check it. जब भी जैसे होगा, and I will give you the dates well in advance because it will be common for all the sections. So it will happen simultaneously for half of the section at the same point of time. Okay. So that is that. So I'll just share the topics also for Excel, which is coming in CEC2. Any of you must have done some of the topics in induction also, but we will recap it all the topics for you. Can you see my sheet, students?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
अरे यार आज फिर मेरा नेटवर्क चलो एक मिनट जस्ट वेट Yes, students, can you see it now?
No, ma'am.
Excel, my sheet?
No, no, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes, can you see it now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, so the topic we will be covering for you, how many cells, what is row, what is column, all those things we'll be doing. Then you have, this is pre-mid, आपका post-mid कुछ और है, फिर we look up वो सब start होगा then. Then this is for CEC, these topics will be covered up. Then you will be having your referencing techniques. This is absolute and relative referencing we will be doing. Then you'll have your sum and sum if function, which you will be doing. Then you will be having average if, count blank, count A, and count if. Okay, class. So this is for your pre-mid CEC syllabus. Getting my point? I will share this with you all, okay? And this will be in the last week of July we will be doing. Okay? Any problem? Any query? Yes? Say yes or no?
Ma'am, our syllabus for midterm includes type of it. Hello.
Yes, types
am I
of.
audible? Ma'am,
Yes,
types of information system.
Yes, you are.
Excel and the introduction to information system. ये तीनों ही रहेगा ना मैम?
हाँ, नहीं रुको, I'll just show it to you. Excel सिर्फ हम CC में पूछ रहे हैं. Excel we are not asking in mid semester examination. Okay? मैं just show it to you. एक मिनट. मैं share करती हूँ. Confusion हो रहा है. Yes. Your topic for your mid-semester examination will be information system concepts. First two, which we have done, introduction to information systems, components of information system, difference between data and information. Then your classification of information system, that is your lower, middle, and the top level, which we have done. Yes, OSS, animal support system, and your strategic information system. Then attributes of information quality. Then is your hardware network and network resources, which we are doing just now, and different types of computer networks. Okay. Then you have different types of functional information systems. Okay, there's a marketing information system, HRIS, and all we have done. Okay. Then obviously TPS, MIS, EIS, DSS, expert system, everything. Then we will be doing from the next session is your how we design your information system. So for that we have SDLC waterfall model prototype, RAD, your JADS feasibility scrum. Then you have ERP implementation steps. Then you have supply chain. Then your CRM. This is the overall syllabus for your mid semester, and only 2 sessions will be taking up on Excel. लेकिन 2 में होता नहीं है because students को हम लोग इतना cover up करवाते हैं. So that is why I am beginning from the half and half divide कर रहे हैं. But Excel we are not going to ask in your mid semester examination. This in CEC we are going to cover. Okay.
Sure, ma'am. Ma'am, one question.
Got it?
Ma'am, one question. On your spreadsheet, 9.1 says basics of spreadsheet and 9.2 says basic functions. So those will be the topics for our CEC?
Yes.
Okay, that sounds great. No problem.
Basics
Thank
of
you so much.
spreadsheet means the your base Excel introduction to Excel. I'll cover it up, don't worry. Excel में rows क्या होता है, columns क्या होता है, cell क्या होता है, how many rows, how many columns, formatting क्या होता है, wrap texting क्या होता है. There are so many things, so we will be just doing this. Okay. And then in the functions, we will start with the basic mathematical functions, that is your sum, average, count, and okay.
Yes,
Got
ma'am.
it,
Yes,
class?
yes, ma'am. Yes.
So this is your overall series. Whatever we have covered till now, everything is going to come in your examination, midterm examination. The thing is that you will be having Excel. We are ignoring in the mid-semester examination. We will take up in CEC only. Okay, so that you have only theory part for your mid-semester examination. Post midterm examination, you have your database management techniques. Post midterm, maximum आपका theory खत्म हो जाएगा, एकदम आपको सारा hands on चीजें होनी है. Post midterm TBMS में भी 1-2 theory sessions चलेंगे, उसके बाद then you will be having your normalization. You need to solve with your pen and paper and sit with your pen and paper, and then you need to solve. Then you have ER diagram. Okay, so ER diagram में again then you have to sit and draw it. ठीक है, I will just show you how to draw it on Excel. Whiteboards पे सिखाऊंगी. So there are so many ways wherein which we will be telling you to draw your ER diagram. And then you will be having your MS Access and then Advanced Excel. Got it? So these are all the hands-on sessions. So मुश्किल से 1 या 2-3 sessions हमारे होंगे जो theory based रहेंगे, बाकी सारा अपना hands-on चलेगा post midterm. So you'll really enjoy doing that. Okay, but the thing is that for that, please students, request you all to please sit with your laptops. ये तभी possible होगा, then we will understand the things in a better way when you are sitting, because we will grow very slowly. हमें कोई जल्दी नहीं है, हम भले ही 2 टॉपिक कम पढ़ाएं लेकिन सबको समझ में आना चाहिए. Getting my point, students? Because these think from your placement perspective कि these are things which are very very important. आप लोगों को बताया भी जा रहा होगा different sessions में कि Excel is really becoming very much compulsory. So इसीलिए हम लोगों ने first semester में इसे introduce कर दिया Excel, and then second semester एकदम advanced Excel चलेगा. Got it, class? So I'll just start with your and one more thing, if you just get to know, अगर आप बाहर से भी कहीं certification करना चाहो in Excel, if you have time, अभी first semester में मत करो, but when you reach to your second semester, but and after second semester, please do it. करो, क्योंकि देखो पता नहीं ना, आप Excel is all about solving questions. आप जितनी questions solve करोगे ना, उतना आपका concept clear होता चला जाएगा. Okay, it is just because we have learned it on our own. In our college days, we are not having Excel. हमने खुद सीखा है. So आप जितना उसको explore करोगे, आप जितना उसमें अंदर जाओगे, sum solve करोगे, उतना ज़्यादा, क्योंकि because we have also learned from the students. Students ऐसे question पूछते, हम भी वैसे ही सीखते. There are every time we are introducing new topics to Excel. Last time we have introduced dashboard creation. अभी इस साल अभी और हम कुछ सोच रहे हैं नया करने. So we are bringing in more and more new things to your Excel. So please learn. Try to learn it on yourself also. I will give you sums to solve. Okay, sum मैं दूंगी आप लोगों को कि आप अपने Excel की practice के लिए आप खुद भी कर सकते हैं, assignments कर सकते हैं. Getting my point, students? Sure. We'll start with your network. This is the topic I have to finish it today, so that in the next session I can start with your sessions. Students, are you getting these things or not? Please tell me. Network all apart.
Yes.
अगर कहीं कोई कंफ्यूजन आता है मैं लास्ट के एक सेशन में आप लोगों का पूरा रिवीजन भी ले लूंगी, ठीक है, सो दैट यू
मैम जस्ट वन थिंग मैम, मिड टर्म का जो सिलेबस आपने बताया ना मैम, मैम जो मिड टर्म का सिलेबस आपने बताया मैम, एक बार आप जब फ्री होंगे एक बार मेल कर देंगे मैम सीयर को, तो एक बार कहीं पे नोट डाउन करने में सुविधा होगा फिर। ओके मैम, थैंक यू सो मच।
हाँ एकदम I will mail you the CC syllabus also and this one also, ठीक है।
Thank you so much मैम।
So last class we have done this extranet किया था हमने?
Yes.
नहीं, इंट्रानेट किया था?
किया था।
अच्छा, जब किया था तो बताओ what is the difference between intranet and extranet?
मैम एक्स्ट्रानेट आई कैन ट्राई। एक्स्ट्रानेट वो होता है कि लाइक हम अपने सप्लायर्स को या हेलो हाँ, सो हम अपने सप्लायर्स को या पर्सन आउटसाइड द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को अगर एक्सेस देते हैं हमारे एनवायरनमेंट के लिए, सो वी यूज दैट एक्स्ट्रानेट नेटवर्क।
ग्रेट, यस। एंड इंट्रानेट?
Internet is within the organization itself, from organization to organization. If we are dealing from organization to organization, then we use intranet.
Within the organization. Yes, please.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, internet is something like globally connected network.
Intranet.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, internet is globally connected.
I'm talking intranet and extranet के बीच में difference है, I'm asking.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, that's what I'm saying, that internet is something which is globally connected network of computers where anyone can access the information, and intranet is something local or restricted network, जिसमें क्या होगा कि सिर्फ एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में कुछ के अंदर ही इंफॉर्मेशन एक्सेस हो पाएगी।
Okay. And extranet?
Ma'am, extranet, I forgot.
Extranet, Deepika?
Ma'am, I forgot it.
See, हाँ, एक इंटरनेट में तुम्हारा एक पॉइंट थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजिंग लग रहा था।
एक्स्ट्रानेट ऐसा बोल,
इंटरनेट doesn't mean that, yes,
एक्स्ट्रानेट ऐसा बोल सकते हैं क्या कि अभी जैसे क्विक फोर्स हमारा एक इंटीग्रल पार्ट है आईबीएस सिस्टम का, तो वो अगर कोई बाहर वाला यूज करता है उसको कुछ टाइम के लिए एक्सेस देते हैं, तो वो एक काइंड ऑफ एक्स्ट्रानेट सिस्टम बोल सकते हैं ना उसको, मतलब कुछ पर्टिकुलर।
यस
मतलब मैम जो रेस्ट्रिक्टेड इंफॉर्मेशन होती है उसका एक्सेस अगर हम किसी आउटर पर्सन को देते हैं वो एक्स्ट्रानेट होता है।
इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम का एक्सेस अगर वी आर गिविंग टू द आउटसाइड पार्टी, ठीक है ना, बट दे आर somewhere or the other they are related to us. Like for example आपके कस्टमर, जैसे लास्ट क्लास में हमने डिस्कस किया था about your customer, so when they are coming to your domain of business and they are doing business, okay, so obviously they are very important for you, and then you are giving them what means limited access, means just for example you have given them the access of your CRM techniques, you are giving them access about the order management, sales processing, इन सब का access तुमने सिर्फ दिया हुआ उसको, so you just give system information, system का जो access होता है वो बहुत limited way में दिया हुआ है। इंटरनेट पे दीपिका तुमने जो बोला कि local होता है, it doesn't mean that intranet when we all are using the intranet facility, the internal system of IBS, but we are located in the different parts of the country. Yes, am I audible?
Ma'am, banks like net banking can be considered as in extranet, right? Because banks gives us access to their servers.
Yes, when you yes, exactly, very good example, that when you are using the bank's facility for your payments or doing any kind of transactions, then you are using as an extranet user, you are using the facility of the banks. Same is happening with your shopping, same is happening with your any types of bookings which you are doing. So all those are the extranet part which you are doing. अभी जैसे अभी आप देखो ना, अभी बहुत सारी ये रीसेलिंग वाली चीजें चल रही, B2B business and all are taking place. So all are being done through your extranet. बहुत ही ज्यादा पॉपुलर है. Okay, and then comes your intranet. Intranet is that we are working within the virtual domain of the organization. Okay, but location doesn't matter. ibsindia.org पे आप कलकत्ता में बैठे हो, पुणे में बैठे हो, नॉर्थ ईस्ट में बैठे हो, whichever location you are sitting in, but we all can access the information. क्विक फोर्स आप लोग सभी कोई सब जगह एक्सेस कर सकते हैं. उसके लिए क्या चाहिए? सिर्फ आपको इंटरनेट एज अ बेस चाहिए. Yes, as a base you require internet and then you can easily access all those things. SIS आप कहीं पे भी बैठ के एक्सेस कर सकते हैं, obvious सी बात है.
Yes, ma'am.
But can your brother use it? Can any of your friend use it who are not the authorized user of or student or employee of this organization? No. Only the, अब ये बात समझ लो, authenticated person are only required to access all your internet things. For extranet, we provide certain passwords or linkages. We provide them so that they can access it. Okay. So moving further, we have stopped in the last class. Okay, telecommunication network alternatives. Like for example, what we can just think of when we are just thinking of doing and establishing a telecommunication network within your organization. So this is a highly technical and rapidly changing field, obviously, because the way you are managing your network, the way you are establishing the relationship with your customers, it's changing every day. It is changing. So it is certain field which is actually changing on a daily basis. So you need to be actually knowing all those technologies. So most as like you as a business professional, means tomorrow you are going to be business professionals. You don't need a detailed technical knowledge. Means हम आपको network establishment करना नहीं सिखा रहे हैं, हम आपको ये नहीं सिखा रहे हैं कि network को कैसे manage करो, ठीक है? But and find out who are the unauthorized users who are getting it. But as a business professional, you should be knowing about the basic components and the alternatives which we can take for your better decision-making process. As of in a later future, when you will just be you will be in the decision-making position. So you will find out, okay, information processing and the transmission is not happening in a very good way. As in the last class, Gaurav has said, abhi bhi real time nahi ho raha hai. Yes, Gaurav?
Yes, ma'am.
रियल टाइम नहीं हो रहा. अभी रियल टाइम कैसे करना है उसको? कैसे करना है रियल टाइम इसको? तो जितना अपना स्ट्रांग नेटवर्क,
रियल टाइम करने के लिए we have to be more fast. Yes.
Yes. So आपका नेटवर्क जितना ज्यादा फास्ट होगा, उतना ज्यादा आपका नेटवर्क जो है वो स्ट्रांग होगा. So as a business professional, you should have the understanding. Students, आप लोग ये चीजें जरूर समझें. थोड़ा टेक्निकली साउंड बनना आज के डेट में इज रियली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आप ये नहीं बोल सकते कि हम मार्केटिंग प्रोफेशनल है, फाइनेंस प्रोफेशनल है, HR प्रोफेशनल है, व्हाई आई शुड लर्न इट. नो, अभी नो. ये सब पहले चलता था, अब तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं चल रहा. So you have to apply your technical skills in your decision making processes. So as for finding out the alternatives for the best network solutions, business professionals should understand these things. Now, the telecommunication networks which generally organization have. Okay, so first is your wide area network. Okay, please students इसको बहुत अच्छे से बहुत ध्यान से पढ़ना आप लोग. This is really very important. And these are very basic things. Okay, ये सब बहुत ही common thing है. आप ये सब चीजें समझते हो. ये आज के डेट में कोई पढ़ाई नहीं है. These are the basic terminologies which you should know. So एक होता है, सबसे पहला हमारा होता है wide area network. So this is actually meant for telecommunicating network interconnecting wide and geographical base पे इसको हमें setup करना होता है. ठीक है, geographical areas को हमें connect करना होता है. So wide area network generally municipalities and all, like anyone from Pune over here, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Pune से कोई है?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you heard who is there? Pune से कौन हो?
Vihang.
Your name?
Vihang, ma'am.
Yes. Vihan, have you heard that in Pune, the municipality has decided that they will be covering up taking up certain sections of the one municipal area and then maybe setting up these wide area networks?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Something like
ma'am.
that I have heard. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, they have taken WAN setup करना it's a very very difficult task because इसके लिए हमारी जो networking की जो techniques है उसको बहुत ही ज़्यादा strong करना पड़ेगा और managing the things have also become very very important. So wide area network ये एक पहला initiative लिया गया है from your Pune area network municipalities that they are going to set up internet throughout same एक Wi-Fi connections throughout the city. मतलब they are still thinking and they have made the trial run in some of the societies and municipal areas also. But now
They have
how they are
started
going
this
to
in
manage it?
PCMC, ma'am.
But like for example, yes, Vihan.
They have already started doing this thing in
Vihan?
PCMC.
Yes. So this is the way that these are really very very large networks. Okay, अभी देखो अभी एक और चीज आप लोगों ने सुनी होगी अगर कि रेलवेज ने स्टार्ट किया है कि when अभी again these are all in the trial runs because of the COVID, these things have become very slow. These types of railways have decided that they are going to actually give you the network services when you are moving in the train. मतलब आपको वाईफाई सर्विस ट्रेन में मिलेगी. अब देखो when you are moving in a train you are not sitting in one state only, na? You are going from one state to another to another. So how they are going to manage? So they are going to pick up the network from each area where they are moving in. इसके लिए इनको पूरा का पूरा network connection इस तरीके से establish करना पड़ेगा. Okay, so sometimes it happens through your the basic wireless networks. They can find where they can find out the waves and the rays of they can actually find out the signals of the networks. And some places wherein when they are moving within the cities, they can use the network connections of the wireless. Yes.
9:45 का पहले से चलना.
Yes, please mute your video, please. Sorry, your voice. Okay, so your wide area networks are really very very important. Now many government organizations are taking the initiatives of your wide area networks, and in this COVID time, students, trust me, these things have happened so much, and actually this had helped government to track out, to find out the containment zone where and पूरा connected internet से एकदम government कहाँ ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है लोगों की, and for these all your helpline workers are using these wide area networks in the present scenario for managing the COVID situation throughout our country. And in many of the countries outside India, means foreign locations, they have set up the global wide area network for some of the multinational networks so that they can have an access. They can provide access of the internet to the employees or to their customers wherever they are located. Okay, so within their domain area, they can access anything. Okay, talking about the domain area, what do you understand by the domain area, students?
The specialty.
That domain area बोलना बच्चे. Domain. Yes, domain. What do you understand by domain?
An area of control.
Okay, now let me ask you some questions. Yes. When you type in your browser, not control exactly, domain is a specified area wherein you have been given all your jurisdiction to perform. For example, I'll again ask you some other questions. When you just write quickforce.ibsindia.org, okay, what do you understand by .org? Organization. So this IBS is an organization. You are getting in the domain area of ibs.org. Now, another domain related question I'm asking. When you write www.myntra.com, what is .com? What is .com?
Domain for commercial.
It's a domain.
Commercial. Oh, very good. यस वेरी गुड, दैट .com जहाँ है आपको पता चल जाएगा कि ये सब सारे कमर्शियल एक्टिविटीज यहाँ पे परफॉर्म हो रहे हैं. Okay, all the commission, buying, selling is taking place over it. When you see any .edu,
Education.
.edu, education, very good. ये सब आप लोग समझो अभी चीजों को. .edu means these are the educational related domain which you are entering into. .in,
Indian website.
Yeah.
what's the difference between Amazon.com and Amazon.in? दो आप देख सकते हो वेबसाइट, Amazon.com and Amazon.in.
.com is international and .in is Indian.
For Indian, yes, for Indian customers, they have their .in as .gov.
For government use.
Government portal.
Yes, yes, great. Government portals all can be accessed through your .gov. So you have to understand these are the domain wherein you can identify. Okay, आपको अगर कोई भी मैसेज आता है तो अगर दिखा रहता है .gov या .nic.in, ठीक है, so इस टाइप के जो आते हैं डोमेन, तो you easily understand कि okay, this is government related domain area you are entering into, this is educational related, this is the commercial related, this is the any organization. Okay, .org if it is written, so it is something you can understand, you can just link up with all those things. Then domain area is actually very, very important for establishing any of your these network techniques. Then comes your metropolitan area network. Metropolitan area network, it can range from several blocks of buildings to the entire cities. But don't think of the cities like Mumbai, Pune, Delhi, ये सब. Okay, so generally जब societies को cover up किया जाता है ना, major, अभी जैसे अभी एक पूरा area है, जैसे हमारे एरिया में आई एम स्टेइंग इन बदवार पार्क इन मुंबई, सो पूरा का पूरा बदवार पार्क में एक नेटवर्क established किया गया, metropolitan area network. So MAN has been established. So all of us are having the same internet service providers. A complete range has been given to you. अभी एक और आप इसमें जैसे कोई टेलीफोन कंपनी, आप लोगों के यहाँ पे किसी के पास टेलीफोन है? Telephone, proper telephone, not mobile phones. Anyone having? बहुत आज ये सब भी rare cases हो रहे हैं. People having telephone systems in their houses. Okay, so these telephone में आप देखोगे कि आपका पूरा का पूरा एक setup होता है, वो एक ही एरिया से वो पूरी underground wiring होती है, and then you get the connections in each and every home. If you remember your childhood days. Okay, so this is the way the things are happening. So MAN actually, cable connections, इसका एक और example बहुत अच्छा metropolitan area network आप देख सकते हो. एक cable connect, वो भी अब आजकल rare cases हो रहे हैं, एक cable service provider is there who is giving the connection to the entire cases. Okay, in our particular तो DTH वाला हो गया तो वो भी gone. So this is the way, these are some of the examples, telephones, cable connections which were provided. And on a single line, they used to connect to the entire societies. Okay, class. So this is how the MAN actually is now being used for the internet setup within the in a particular area. Then comes very, very important and one of the most prominent usability of the internet, which is network, which is being used in many of the organizations today's scenario, is the LAN. That is the local area network. And maximum आपका जो काम होता है within the organization for accessing your hard disks, any of your devices, everything is done through your LAN. So LAN is your local area network, and it is limited only to the proprietary networking. Means only to the main service area where nature is coming in. जैसे आप लोग IBS मुंबई आओगे, पूरा LAN से connected है वाईफाई. So you just get inside and all of us are accessing the internet of the IBS. ठीक है, अभी आप आते हो किसी भी, each and every classroom is internet enabled. You are in whichever location. Everyone, all the students can access. So इतना powerful है कि 1000 students senior, 1000 student junior, at least min average figure I am talking about, 2000 स्टूडेंट्स रहते हैं हमारे पास, लगभग 100 फैकल्टीज हैं और लगभग 50 स्टाफ. Everyone can use at the same point of time with good speed with LAN connections. So this is actually meant for computers and information processing devices within a limited physical area, such as an office, classroom, building, manufacturing plant, and other work sites. Okay, now tell me, students, when you are going to airports, what do you think now? As if you have understood that, so what do you think that which type of network techniques they are opting for giving access to of internet to their users on airports?
LAN.
Yes, class?
Wi-Fi.
मैन या लैन? अरे वाईफाई, अरे ये सब चीजों से आप वाईफाई यूज कर सकते हैं. वाईफाई तो एक मीडियम है थ्रू विच यू आर एक्सेसिंग इंटरनेट. Okay, Wi-Fi, see class, just understand. From all these are the network standards. अब आप WAN, MAN, LAN, जैसे आपके खुद के घर में सेटअप होगा आपका LAN का या VPN, आप कनेक्शन लेते हो. Okay, then in that case, obviously you all are using Wi-Fi ना, अपने मोबाइल फोन्स में all your family members are using Wi-Fi. Okay, so network, ये हम network setup की बात. Getting my point? So वाईफाई हम यूज करते हैं, लेकिन वाईफाई का कनेक्शन मिलता रहता है ना हमें. So, कौन सा नेटवर्क स्टैंडर्ड है जो यूज होता होगा फॉर प्रोवाइडिंग यू द सर्विस ऑफ इंटरनेट ऑन एयरपोर्ट्स?
I guess LAN.
Ma'am, LAN.
Yes.
Man.
LAN. Correct. Because एक पर्टिकुलर उनका एरिया, एयरपोर्ट से बाहर निकल जाओगे तो थोड़ी you will be able to access the internet connections of the airport. Now you are going to shopping malls. बहुत सारे shopping malls में भी आपको available रहता है ये सब.
I'm like railway station.
Wi-Fi services. Railway stations also they are using the LAN.
Yeah, like that,
Yes.
railway.
And when you are going to these shopping malls, and some of the restaurants where they have written that internet services are also available.
LAN.
क्या यूज होता है इन सब जगहों पे? जस्ट चेक आउट स्टूडेंट, ऑफिस, क्लासरूम, बिल्डिंग, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्लांट्स एंड अदर वर्क साइट्स. जहां भी आपको एक लिमिटेड jurisdiction में you are providing the internet services to your users, that is can be done through your LAN. अभी जैसे मेट्रो, अभी किसी की सोसाइटीज होती है, मेट्रोपॉलिटन एरिया नेटवर्क पूरा का पूरा आपका कहीं लैन भी यूज होता है फॉर दैट. एंड इफ द एरिया इज रियली वेरी लार्ज, ओके, देन द मेट्रोपॉलिटन एरिया नेटवर्क इज बीइंग यूज्ड. ओके, then is your virtual private networks. Again, these are the private networks and it's a very yes.
Ma'am, in recent times Google has introduced the Google Fiber.
Yes, please.
Google Wi-Fi in railway stations, so that is also our local network.
Yes, लोकल नेटवर्क ही होगा ना. देखो पहले नेटवर्क स्टार्ट कुछ होगा तब ना वो वाईफाई प्रोवाइड करवाएगा. वाईफाई ऐसे थोड़ी किसी को कोई दे सकता है. आप भी जब मोबाइल फोन में इंटरनेट यूज करते हो, सो यू नीड मोबाइल पैक्स फॉर इट ना, एंड यू नीड रिक्वायर इंटरनेट सर्विस प्रोवाइडर फॉर इट ना, देन ओनली यू कैन बी एबल टू यूज एनी ऑफ योर डेटा पैक्स. आपके घर में जो नेटवर्क कनेक्शन है, थ्रू दैट यू आर एक्सेसिंग इंटरनेट थ्रू वाईफाई, है कि नहीं? वाईफाई आप देखते हो ना अपने मोबाइल में, आप स्विच करते हो ना, कभी वाईफाई कनेक्शन पे जाते हो, कभी मोबाइल पे नेटवर्क पे आते हो अपने. yes or no? So for that you require certain network techniques. जब तक नेटवर्क नहीं दोगे आपको इंटरनेट का सर्विस नहीं मिल सकता. अब आप वाईफाई यूज करो, हॉटस्पॉट यूज करो, इट्स अप टू यू. वाईफाई इज द मोस्ट कॉमन वन, बट हॉटस्पॉट भी आप कभी अपने मोबाइल कनेक्शन से और लैंड वाईफाई से यूज करते हो. yes
Yes,
so
ma'am.
this is the way you have to just see to it that network protocol are really very important. आपको ये देखना है कि नेटवर्क आप क्या यूज कर रहे हो. पहले अभी आप लोग देखे नहीं होंगे, हम लोग जब छोटे थे तब हम लोग देखे थे जब लैन सेटअप होता था, पूरा वायर बिछता था, पूरी खुदाई, एंड देन पूरा का पूरा आपका वायर एंड दोस coaxial cables and all were put in within the ground किए जाते थे, तब लैन कनेक्शन होता. हम लोग when we were in college in BIT Mesra, उस टाइम पे पूरा सेटअप चल रहा था लैंड. सो वो दिखता था हमें कि कैसे फिर वो उनके सारे स्विचेस ये करते थे, तो वो हम लोगों ने लाइव देखा हुआ है। आप लोग नहीं उतना देखे होंगे इन सब चीजों को, बिकॉज नाउ मेनी थिंग्स आर नाउ डन. So these types of setups are required so that we can access your wireless services. So Wi-Fi क्या हो गया? Wireless services हो गया. और अगर आप लोग को याद होगा, अभी तो wired हम यूज नहीं करते हैं जनरली, नहीं तो अब हमारे हॉस्टल रूम्स में we used to have these wired connections. So हम अपने systems को वो जो wired निकल के आता था ना, हम उससे यूज कर सकते, क्योंकि Wi-Fi इतना prominent नहीं हुआ था. आप वायर लगा दो अपने सिस्टम में, then only you'll be able to access internet. फिर धीरे धीरे वाईफाई भी इनेबल हुआ, then it became wireless. Okay, so wired. Have anyone used wired network connections? या सब आप लोगों के लिए outdated हो गया होगा?
Yes ma'am, use किया है.
Yes ma'am.
Yes or no, class?
Yes ma'am.
मैम पहले वो BSNL का होता था वायर वाला.
हम टेलीफोन से वायर आती थी.
पहले होता था वायर. Yes. And those wires we used to connect, and अब आपको कोई बोले कि wired वाला लेना है, say no, we don't want that. But the thing is that these are the things. But student, एक चीज और, apart from this what I am telling you, wired connection environment के हिसाब से अगर आप देखो ना, तो wired connections are far more better than your wireless one.
Yes.
So क्यों आप इसके रीजन बता सकते हो? Means this is my opinion, what I am telling you. Maybe
Radiations का issue आता है.
Yes, very good. Radiations के issues आते हैं, signals, waves जो आपके, और वायर वाले क्या होते हैं, सारे अंडरग्राउंड गए. So आप अंडरग्राउंड वायरिंग होती है. आप सबके जैसे टेलीफोन कनेक्शंस हम यूज करते हैं ना, थोड़ा हाँ ठीक है, प्रॉब्लमेटिक होता है, कन्वीनियंट नहीं होता है, but rays are really bad. And when we are moving towards these 5G technique ना, अभी आप लोग जब हम लोग घर में भी जो वाईफाई यूज करते हैं ना, those are not very good sign for small children and old age people.
Ma'am, wired were.
अभी क्या कहते हैं कि because of these rays which are, yes.
Ma'am, wired शायद से ज़्यादा secure थे.
Yes, very secure, and it is environment friendly also. Very much environment friendly. Okay, so this is the another thing, these environmental issues होंगे, but actually means we see to हम तो देख लेते हैं, हमें जो convenient लगता है हम करते हैं, but long run में ऐसा environment पे क्या असर होने वाला है, इसलिए कहते हैं ये सब रेस की वजह से many of the bird species will be no more existing in next 5 years. सोच क्या इसके रेस के impact. So this is इसीलिए बोलते हैं कि नेटवर्क ऑन करके कभी नहीं सोना चाहिए. Means just behind your because it directly impacts your brain. The rays are really very bad and it affects your brain and heart. हम देखने के लिए तो सोचो ना, इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग कनेक्शन है, तो दूर की चीजें, इतने सारे ऑडियो वीडियो, एवरीथिंग इज कमिंग अप टू अस, ठीक है, फिर विद दोस रेज, तो कितना स्ट्रॉन्ग होगा वो चीज. ओके, एनीवेज दीस आर ऑल द थिंग्स. बट एज अ ऑल्टरनेटिव पे हमेशा मेरा तो जोर रहता है कि वायर्ड ही रहो, भले ही थोड़ा कन्वीनियंट नहीं रहता, बट स्टिल इट इज गुड. एंड सब जानते हो, इससे भी ज्यादा सबसे ज्यादा प्रॉब्लमेटिक क्या हो रहा है पता है, जो हम डेटा पैक्स यूज करते हैं, that is more deadly. What do you think? Wi-Fi से ज्यादा deadly आपके data packs. And all of us are using in today's world. सबके पास नहीं हो, काम ही नहीं हो आज के date. Okay, so these are all things required. Any problem in any of these points, students? Wide area network, metropolitan area network, local area network, and virtual private network. Okay, so these virtual private networks you set up for your internal setup of any private setup आप करते हो for doing a particular task. For example, आपका अपना virtual private network establish होता है आपके घरों में भी, आपके लैपटॉप्स में भी available है, so that you can create a private network when you are doing a very secured kind of a job. These private networks are very much highly sophisticated in nature. They are having a very strong security features they are having with the help of firewall, so that you are accessing the internet connection in a very secure manner. अभी क्या होता है, अभी वर्क फ्रॉम होम में VPN बहुत ज्यादा यूज हो रहा है, बहुत ही ज्यादा. तो Why VPN is being used? That when you are getting into the domain of organization, you put in your authorized ID and password, and then you start get into your work which you are doing. Okay.
मैं IP address hide कर देता
Then comes your client server network. So client, yes, हाँ, IP address आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि कहाँ से आप enter करोगे, but
हम होता कैसे है?
नहीं, but you are entering into the domain of the organization. वह VPN सेटअप होता है बच्चे, पूरा सेटअप है VPN, ठीक है ना? ये VPN आप खुद भी सेट कर सकते हो अपने कंप्यूटर में इसको, VPN जस्ट चेक इट अप, देखो कैसे आप अपना वर्चुअल प्राइवेट नेटवर्क क्रिएट कर सकते हो, लेकिन उसमें बहुत सेटिंग चेंज करनी पड़ती है, ठीक है? यू आर गेटिंग इनटू द डोमेन, आपको ये नहीं पता बहुत जगह क्या होता है, हाँ, पूरा इंफॉर्मेशन, दैट इज व्हाई ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस दे प्रोवाइड लैपटॉप्स, you can do your office related work only in this particular laptop.
Yeah.
VPN के through वो जाते हैं, enter करते हैं. You ask any of your friends working and or any of your you have a client server network. So client is the user and server is the main network which is providing all types of systems. So they are interconnected by local area network and share application processing with network service, which also manages the network. So your entire server is managing your day-to-day tasks of your network. As for example, if I as a user, I'm requesting, if I am requesting something from the server that I want to, अब जैसे आप टाइप करते हो, URL टाइप करते हो, कोई भी URL होता है कि आप टाइप करते हो, तो क्या होता है, you are sending a request to the internet, please open this, ठीक है? तो क्या होता है कि generally when you are writing, तो उसमें क्या लिखते हो आप, HTTPS, okay, that is your hypertext transfer protocol, and then you write the URL of the where you want to go, कोई website address जब आप write, तो as a client you are asking the main server that please open this, whichever browser you are going into, चाहे आप Google Chrome use कर रहे हो, चाहे आप Mozilla use करते हो, चाहे any one which you are using. अभी अब नया Microsoft Edge आ गया, Internet Explorer is gone, ठीक है? Internet Explorer is now history. Yes or no, students? Internet Explorer is history now, बंद हो गया. कितना है Internet
चलता है इंट्रानेट में, तो और भी ज्यादा चलता है इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर.
नहीं पूरा बंद कर दिया
मैम. एज आया ना, लेकिन उसकी जगह एज लाया ना उन्होंने.
मैम बैंक्स में तो अभी भी चल रहा है.
Actually we do use Internet Explorer.
अभी कुछ रिसेंट टाइम में बंद हो गया.
No, completely gone. अभी हाँ पूरा बंद हो गया, बंद कर दिया कंपनी ने. They have launched a new Explorer, Internet Explorer, that's Microsoft Edge. Very good, बहुत अच्छा, बढ़िया. क्रोम का एकदम जबरदस्त टक्कर है, लेकिन वही है, क्रोम इतना ज्यादा आपके हाथों में कि एज को थोड़ा मार्केट बनाने में प्रॉब्लम है, बट इट इज गुड. आई एम
एज भी तो क्रोमियम बेस्ड है.
हटा लो अब भाई.
मैम जो एज है लेकिन उतना रिस्पॉन्सिव नहीं है, डेटा बहुत ज्यादा यूज करता है.
मैम एज भी लेकिन क्रोमियम बेस्ड ही है ना.
देखो अब नो
मैम एज क्रोमियम बेस्ड है,
उनका अलग है. ये क्रोम तुम्हारा गूगल का है, वो
ना मैम, लेकिन बेस उसका क्रोमियम का.
देखो वो चीज अलग है कि तुम्हारा देखो सर्च इंजन का जो मेन टास्क है ना, व्हाट इज सर्च इंजन? सर्च इंजन क्या होता है? यस, सो यू आर पुटिंग इन रिक्वेस्ट टू समवन, ठीक है? मेन काम क्या है? हर जगह काम वैसे ही हो रहा है बच्चे, सोच लो आप सब. आप कुछ रिक्वेस्ट दो, आपको रिक्वेस्ट को वो सर्व करता है. दैट इज वो कॉल आपके सिलेबस में नहीं है, दैट्स द रिक्वेस्ट रिस्पांस प्रोटोकॉल. ओके, रिक्वेस्ट रिस्पांस प्रोटोकॉल. सो अभी क्या होता है कि आप सीधे कुछ गूगल सर्च इंजन में लिखते हो और आपको मिल जाता है, तो आपको क्या लगता है कि आपके लिए रखा रहता है कि अच्छा विहान और दीपिका और ये सब बोलने क्वेश्चन पूछा और हमने अभी आप कुछ वैन के बारे में लिखना, तो वैन के बारे में सारी इंफॉर्मेशन वो आपको दे देगा. नो, they first encrypt your message, then they send that message to that request to the main server, and then server decrypt it and then find out, and पूरा का पूरा find out करता है and उससे related जितनी information है आपके तरफ push कर देता है. So इतना काम होता है within the time from when you are just asking, you are writing something. So process is going to be same. आप edge में भी जब कुछ में भी हम लोग टाइप करते हैं, वैसे भी टाइम AI बेस्ड सिस्टम होगा कि अभी भी स्टार्ट हो चुके हैं many places that you just say that find out this. Alexa is one of the very good example. आपके आजकल रिमोट कंट्रोल्स भी आते हैं, टीवी के जो रिमोट्स होते हैं, you can directly search, you can say talk to your remote, you just tell कि find out this channel और वो आपको फटाफट चैनल फाइंड करके दे देता है. So this is the way the things are improvising. More and more things are coming in, and then you are letting the things being done. So make you the things are coming to you. So again now try and start हो तो फिर जैसे अभी चैटबॉट्स में स्टार्ट हो गया, सीधे सीधे हम बात करेंगे, टाइपिंग की बात ही खत्म हो. Whatever we are talking to computer, the system, they will just encrypt everything and they will decode all those things, and then it will be decodified by the mail. Okay. Then comes your network computing. This concept views networks as a central computing resource of any computing environment. Network computing is actually very, very important when we are talking in the front end where you are networking computers together. आप 3-4 computers को साथ मिला के and then you are performing any task. ठीक है. So you network computing इनके system पे आप network provider, sharing becomes very, very easy. Okay, sharing becomes very simple, and you are using, and you can use any one of them. आप intranet use करो, extranet use करो within the organization. So आपके इतने ही कंप्यूटर पे आपका जो शेयरिंग है, में जब आप काम करते हो, when in the, especially in the IT sector or some of the sectors where one module then another starts, so इसमें हम network computing is one of the very, very important methodology. अभी आपने thin client के बारे में सुना स्टूडेंट्स? यहाँ पे एक एग्जांपल उसका आप ले लो, thin client के बारे में. Yes, am I audible to you or not? नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो बोलो बच्चों.
थोड़ा आवाज कट रहा है आपका.
मैम आवाज बहुत अटक रहा है.
तो बोलो ना.
सेकंड का डिले हो.
यस यस
हम फिर से कट गया.
कट हो रहा है, आवाज कट हो रहा है.
हाँ.
Is it fine now? Is it fine, students?
Yes.
पर नेटवर्क पर आ रहा है, मेरा ही नेटवर्क हुआ.
हम नहीं.
हाँ बारी है.
नेटवर्क
मैम डिले हो रहा है.
मैम अभी भी हो रहा है.
See, have you seen the Is it fine now?
Yes, ma'am.
अभी हाँ. अगर आपने ऐसे ऑफिस सेटअप किए होंगे कि where only the screen and your keyboards are there, okay, and you are directly connected to your server. You cannot use client drives क्योंकि CPU रहता ही नहीं. CPU is not.
Ma'am, we still can't hear you.
Tasks are performing. You have to do. अभी देखो, अभी तो थोड़ा ठीक हो गया.
No, ma'am.
Is it fine now, students? ठीक है.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, we cannot hear you.
Type in the chat box.